To aid your health and safety procedures, we offer a range of weight load notices in various formats. These notices stipulate important information relevant to the safe working load limits. First is a range of 5 PVC notices to cover general shelving, long span shelving and smaller installations of pallet racking, cantilever shelving and drive-through racking. Mezzanine notices are supplied in landscape orientation for optimal display. And notices suitable specifically for installations of pallet racking. The pallet racking notice is slightly larger than the other notices. We also offer a range of 1.5mm thick white rigid landscape styrene signs to cover pallet racking and shelving. All of the notices are either supplied blank or printed with your contact details and loadings in black text at no extra charge. The signs can either be affixed by means of our magnetic tape or drilled for cable ties or other fixings.